This is the Sherco Lexington model. This quality 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,800 square foot Rambler was built on a wooded lot in Linwood Township near Stacy in 2014. It appeals to families as well as empty nesters and offers the simplicity of one-level living. This new home has fantastic curb appeal. This is accomplished by matching engineered painted siding with cultural stone, architectural shingles, an attractive garage door, and a fantastic front door with a beautiful barrel vaulted front overhang. As you enter, you'll find a spacious arched entry with a closet and a scenic view that is visible through a large picture window in the family room. Your eyes will be immediately drawn to the vaulted ceilings and beautiful fireplace in the middle of the family room. You'll also find solid alder doors as well as beautiful alder accents around the windows and door frames. The home offers a true open concept floor plan that connects the family room, kitchen, and living room to create a spacious area for daily living and entertaining. You'll love the kitchen with large center island, pantry, custom knotty alder cabinets, Whirlpool appliances, farmer sink, distressed alder floors, and quartz countertops with a tile backsplash. A patio door off the dining area leads to a future deck. Around the corner is a first-floor laundry and spacious 3-car garage. The home package has a tar driveway, sod, and beautiful landscaping. Off the kitchen, you'll find a hall that leads to 2 bedrooms and a full bath with granite countertops. On the opposite side of the home, you'll find the master suite with 2 large walk-in closets, spacious bedroom, private bath with a separate shower, his and her sinks, and a Whirlpool tub. A spacious, oversized staircase with decorative iron spindles leads to the lower level walkout. The area is unfinished and offers space for additional bedrooms, a rec room, and storage. This fantastic property can be built in multiple locations around the Twin Cities. Sherco simplifies the new home buying process by building new custom homes for buyers who have as little as 3% of the purchase price as a down payment and demonstrate end financing is in place to complete the purchase. We pride ourselves in making new homes affordable and have strategic lending partners that will help you analyze financing for a new home purchase. In addition, we have home designers who will help you design the home of your dreams. Call now to schedule a model tour. Brand new homes are now an option in your home search.